If you think coming up with something healthy to eat every time is something you get stuck at, well, don't you worry. We've got Chef Tarun to roll out some wholesome fare in our upcoming segment, A Pinch of Health. Because a good dose of entertainment is incomplete without some appetizing flavors and recipes.
Hello everyone, this is Tarun Panjwani. Welcome to Pinch of Health. The Indian cuisine has given us so many healthy recipes which you can make during your rushy mornings or evening snack. And today I'm going to make besan ka chilla, very easy peasy recipe with the goodness of oats. So let's check the ingredients. We have oats, gram flour, besan, semolina which we call rava, onions. We have some Indian spices, red chili powder, cumin powder, salt, turmeric, tomato, chilies and bell pepper, and fresh ginger. So let's begin with toasting the oats here. We will take handful of oats. We are roasting the oats because we don't want our chilla to be soggy in the end. So this is done. Some ginger, chop it fine. A quarter of onion. Even onions also fine chop. Green bell pepper. We'll take some chilies, tomato, we will de-seed the tomato. We are done with the chopping here. The next we are going to take roasted oats and crush them as we don't want any grains in the chilla. That's it. Let's take besan, which is gram flour, 1 spoon of semolina, rava. It's time to put our veggies inside, chopped ginger, chopped onion, chopped capsicum, chilies and chopped tomato. It's time to mix in. Now we'll add some spices, a pinch of turmeric, chili powder, roasted cumin, a slight pinch. Let's mix the spices as well. Now it's time to add water. So please note, the batter consistency has to be flowy and it has to be smooth. So let's put it aside for 10 minutes and we'll check it after that. In the meantime, we'll chop some fresh coriander leaves. So as you can see, the batter is completely set. I'm going to add little water to make it smooth. We'll add some fresh coriander, salt. It's time to cook. Let's roll out the chillas. Some oil in the pan. Make sure your chillas don't stick to the pan. So let's pour in. Always start with the center so that it will be easy for you to spread out. We are going to cover our chillas for 2 to 3 minutes. The reason why we cover the chillas in the pan, because I want moisture to be retained here, and after 2-3 minutes I'm going to flip it over. So let's flip it. So this is ready to serve. So Chilla is ready and we can pair it with some flavored yogurt. Let's start with some chili and roasted cumin powder. So our healthy besan oats chilla is ready to eat. The dish that we made today was very Indian inspired and our drink gonna be very similar to that. Today we are going to make almond milk thandai. So we have almonds, pistachio, peppercorns, fenugreek and green cardamom, and I'm using honey as a sweetener. And there we have fresh almond milk. So let's begin with blending. We'll take some almonds here, some pistachios, 2-3 peppercorns, 2 pieces of cardamom and a small pinch of fenugreek. So our mixture is ready and let's start with boiling our almond milk. About 1 cup and let it boil. The reason we are using almond milk in the recipe because it's lactose free and it has a very low sugar content. As you can see, the milk is completely boiled. It's time to add the mix of nuts and spices. Let's add 1 spoon. So I'm going to keep stirring because I don't want any lumps in my thandai and all the spices and nuts will blend in properly. That's it, we are good to go. So we'll let it cool down for some time and we'll keep it in refrigerator before serve. And then we're going to enjoy this beautiful glass of almond milk thandai. So thandai is cool enough now. Let's pour it into the glass. I have honey here as my sweetener. The meal is ready now. I'm going to have it. Besan ka chilla, roasted oats, crush them, besan which is gram flour, semolina, chopped ginger, chopped onion, chopped capsicum and chopped tomato. It's time to mix in pinch of turmeric, chili powder. Let's mix the spices as well to add water. Let's put it aside for 10 minutes. I'm going to add little water to make it smooth. We'll add some fresh coriander, salt. It's time to cook. Some oil in the pan. So let's pour in. So let's flip it. So chilla is ready and we can pair it with some flavored yogurt. So our healthy besan oats chilla is ready to eat. Almond milk thandai. Take some almonds here, some pistachios, 2-3 peppercorns, 2 pieces of cardamom and a small pinch of fenugreek. Let's add 1 spoon. All the spices and nuts will blend in properly. So thandai is cool enough now. Let's pour it into the glass. I have honey here as my sweetener. Let's take 1 big spoon. I hope you enjoyed today's Pinch of Health. See you next week on Z Connect.